Good morning. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2026. I am here at Marker 8 Marina, and this is a whole clean video for Tick Tock. As I said before, the only zinc that I found on the boat is a 1 1/4 inch shaft zinc. Could be a collar zinc that's on there, but a shaft zinc could definitely fit. It does need to be replaced. Well, let's go ahead and check out the cleaning now.
I have a shaft sink I can give you. I just got here.
Okay, awesome. I'll be right over.
Yeah, I can set it right here by this line.
Okay, yeah, give me 1 second and I'll talk with you. Thank you for choosing ES Dive.